Why does your scanner show the P1151 engine code? And what does it mean? The P1151 engine code stands for Lack of Upstream Heated Oxygen Sensor. Switch sensor indicates lean bank. 2. This code indicates a problem with an excess of oxygen in bank 2. Lean suggests that there's too much oxygen in the air or fuel ratio, while rich indicates too much fuel in the air or fuel ratio. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Fuel system issues, sensor malfunctions, wiring and PCM problems, air and vacuum leaks, EGR system faults. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. The P1151 code is only applicable to Ford vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.